Resuming our studies. Now, today we are going to do a bit of a recap, yeah, because we had a break. And oh, just a minute, just a minute. There we go. Let me find my. That is interesting. So yeah, we started talking about tables, right? What do you remember? Because we have to do a recap of what we discussed on tables.
I don't think I've covered tables yet.
What?
I don't think we have covered tables yet.
Oh, sorry. I meant bar charts. Yeah. So what do you remember? What do you remember on bar charts, guys? We discussed.
Please compare.
Yeah, sure. Go ahead. So?
It compares like something probably over time in like English lesson.
Okay.
No.
It compares what? Ivan, I didn't catch the last
Data.
Data?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, in time.
Okay, over time.
Kind of.
Yes.
Yeah, over time. Yeah.
Okay. Right. No, guys, actually, yeah, I remember we also discussed tables. Yeah, Ilya, we discussed or that was Kostya. Yeah, we discussed tables. I remember now. What else? What do you remember about the tables then? Anyone, guys? Roxana wasn't here on the previous lesson. Yeah, Roxana, you weren't.
Yep.
All right. And Paulina also wasn't. I think, yeah. Was Ilya here? Ilya, were you here in the previous lesson? Were you here on the last lesson before the break?
I remember that I were, but I don't remember this task.
I see. All right. Okay, so yeah, we discussed tables, right, as usual. The format remains the same. Yeah. We spoke about writing about the highest and lowest data points of the tables. Do you remember, guys? And how to organize or group our data to write about them? No? Nobody remembers? All right.
I think I would remember it, but I think we actually don't do this.
No, we did.
It's kind of we did?
Yeah, we did.
Yeah?
We did.
It's weird. Okay.
Yeah. We yeah, hold on. Yeah, we did. We discussed all of these. Or wait. Let me check. Yeah. Yeah, guys, I remember. Yeah, I just checked my notes. Yeah, we discussed all of these. First of all, we discussed how to group data. Do you remember? So highest versus lowest, those that the points that are similar, the points that contrast. We discussed all of these. And then we also discussed how to paraphrase certain percentages, how to rewrite certain percentages, like for example, 27 percent becomes over a quarter and all. We did a task. We did a task on this. Do you remember now? Yeah. All right. So let's take a look at this this activity here, right? I'm pretty sure we did it, but just to refresh our memory, let's do it again, right? So question number 1, what data is presented in the table? What is the data presented in the table? Because by answering these questions, we should remember how to write this as a report, right? So what data is presented in the table, guys? What is the table about? To paraphrase the question, what is the table about? The table you're seeing here.
It's about indie films.
Good. It's about indie films released in the UK and Republic of Ireland by genre. Okay. And what sections does the table consist of? What sections?
Genre, number of release, percentages of release, and percentage of income from ticket sales.
Okay, good. Now, what are the trends you're spotting? By looking at the table, what are the trends you're noticing here? Girls? What trends are you seeing here? What are the highest points? What are the lowest points? What are the categories that have similar or that look similar?
My documentary has look the same in first 2 tables.
What do you say? Drama and
Drama and documentary,
Okay.
yeah. In
Okay.
first 2 columns, they're the same.
Good. So that is the
And,
first thing. Yes.
Thriller and horror are also nearly the same. We can
Thriller
just
and horror.
skip the difference.
Thriller and horror are what?
Thriller nearly the same as 14 and 13. Number of releases, I mean.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And in the same logic, we can say crime and other, and action and romance also. They are all nearly the same.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
And biopic, I don't even know what genre of it.
Biopic?
Yeah,
You don't know what biopic means?
I never seen a film in this genre.
Okay. Well, I mean, there are a lot of movies. Has anybody here watched Bohemian Rhapsody?
Oh, okay. I started to watch it, then I watched the film and biopic.
Okay. Yeah.
That's a-
Let me move y'all to my second monitor. Right. There we go. Oof. Right. So, everybody here understands what biopics are, right? Yeah. Is there anyone here who doesn't understand what biopics are?
I'm not sure if I watched something in this genre.
But Roxana, you understand what it is, yeah?
Not really.
So a biopic is a movie about the life of a I don't know, a celebrity, an actor, a musician, whatever. It's like a public persona, right? So
Mhm.
if there is a movie about Michael Jackson, it's a biopic. If there is a movie about I don't know, the origin story of, I don't know, a famous actor or a figure in history, it's a biopic. Yeah.
Okay, I see.
Yeah.
Thanks.
So you've never watched a biopic?
I'm not sure. I just didn't try it. Let's go like that.
All right. I understand. Okay. So, right. Then the fourth question is, what are the main features of the table? What are the main features? Like, what are the highlights, right? what are the things that stick out, you know, in the table. So we discussed the trends. So these are like everything, the changes and shifts happening in the table, right? But what are the main highlights, the things that stick out in this table? Like let's look at comedy, right? Yes, comedy really sticks out, right? Guys?
Yeah,
Good.
kinda.
No, not kinda. It's by far
Okay.
by a crazy margin, right? It takes almost 50% of all the ticket sales, right? Yes, guys? 45.4%. The only one that comes anywhere close is what? Is horror. Yeah. So this is a main feature. Any others? Groupings, guys. Groupings.
Yeah, drama and documentary, like it's the same percentage of release in numbers.
Okay.
But in income, they are really different.
Yes. So you see, guys, the reason why we are doing this is for you to be able to have to develop a lens for tables, okay? Because you first observe, then you write about your observations. Yeah. So we know what the data is, what data is presented in this table. So we are pretty much able to come up with our introductory paragraph, right? We understand what the sections are about, then we know what the trends are, yeah? And we're able to see the main features of whatever table we've been presented. So, all right. So let's see, compared to other visuals. Yeah, we've already discussed all of these. Now, these are a few, you still see my screen, right? Yeah,
Yes.
you're seeing this tip. So over here is a tip on how to go about when you have a table. Yeah, so when you get a table, you can underline the two highest numbers of in each column, right? Because eventually you're going to have to speak about them. Then circle the two lowest numbers in each column and find any patterns or trends. I think this is pretty straightforward, right? Is there anyone who doesn't understand what I'm speaking about? Any
Yeah, I
questions?
think so.
Roxana, you have
Oh,
questions?
no questions. No
Oh,
questions.
so it's all clear, yeah? All right.
Mhm.
So, um, yeah. So we've already discussed this. We did this task actually, but yeah, it seems you guys have forgotten. Now we have another one here. It says write a report based on the table below. Use different expressions to describe the approximate data. Now, guys, we are going to break into rooms, okay? This will be a group task. And as usual, I will be moderating and checking up on you guys. But the task is quite simple. We're going to try to create a draft. This is not the first time we've done this, so I think you remember how to go about this task, right? Is there anyone here who doesn't understand the task? We're going to create a draft, okay, based on what we have. So the first thing I need you to do before you even put pen to paper or whatever, I want you to observe the table and pick out the trends you're observing, okay? Pick it out with your teammates. Tell me what the trends are And then I will give you the go-ahead, the green light to put it into the draft, okay? So let me create the breakout rooms. Paulina, are you here? When people do
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, okay. I will make this so 3 people in a group. This should help to make things move faster. All right. So, Paulina, do you understand the task? I'm asking you because you weren't here on the previous lesson, so I feel the need to just clarify that you understand what I'm talking about. Paulina?
Sorry, can you repeat?
Yeah, I said, do you understand what I'm talking about with the task?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Maybe.
right. So yeah, I mean, I will be with you in your rooms. So yeah, we should be able to refresh our memory. So guys, the rooms are open. Please join with your teammates. I will be with you to help you with the task. Ilya, are you here, Ilya? You have to join, guys. So guys, wait a minute. Uh-huh. Wait, Paulina is supposed to be, oh, Kostya. Okay. Uh-huh. Flip, where is Ilya? Your teammates.
I'm here.
Yeah. Okay. So guys, you have the book, right? So you can share your screen and then begin the task, right? So guys, your job right now is to spot me the main trends, okay? Let's go. Main trends. And I will circle back to you to get my answer.
Trends, or we need to group them as a task says?
Oh, yeah, good. So you can spot the trends and then group them, okay? So spot the trends, group them. I will be back in a second, right?
Okay. Can you send the book again?
Oh, unfortunately, because my internet is quite slow, it's gonna take like
Okay.
so.
Okay, next time.
Yeah, Flip shared his screen, so yeah, that works. Yeah, so I'll be back.
Okay.
Oh, hi.
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 Wait.
Yeah.
There's no Artem. Okay. Right. So guys, how is it going? Spot the trends and group them. Okay. Spot the trends and group them. That is your task.
Okay. Yeah. I understand that.
Right.
But I need to start.
Yeah.
Okay, like we need to group in like this, and in which I think this one will work pretty good.
Yeah, this not.
And then another color. It's
What you need colors?
Huh?
For what you need colors?
to group it, kinda. It's like structurizing things.
Stop. We need to group the
Yeah, and then
similar
write the draft.
things.
It's like
Okay.
first.
Like the
Like-
highest is probably
Yeah.
HP, and the lowest it's which one? How should I
Fuji.
read it? Fuji, yeah, Fuji. Okay.
Fujitsu
Fujitsu Shaman. Say what? Siemens. I don't know.
Siemens.
Siemens. Okay.
Yes, I think it's Siemens. Okay, in present. I think like that, but we need to structurize other.
There are just somewhere in between, I would say.
And there are someone in between this one, like, and is going like that. And the
And
structure is the lowest one. And that's all?
probably.
Okay. Yeah.
Don't we need to write this?
We need to write a draft to that
Yeah.
a little bit later. We need to think how to write it and start writing
Okay.
in chat because it's
Ivan,
like,
can you make an SMR with this table, please?
What?
Huh?
Okay, yes.
Are you speaking to me?
No. I was asking Ivan if he can make an SMR with this table. Please.
with the table.
Yeah, can you do that, please?
Why it's going like that? I don't.
Please, it's trying to make you.
For all, you're like
Yes.
a monster. I can't.
Yeah, for all data, let's go. I believe in you. You
No.
can do that.
I can, but I don't want to do that.
Are you
It's
done?
like kind of structuring it.
Okay. Yeah. Let
And
me check up. Let me.
yeah.
hold that.
Okay.
And paper giving the main features and make comparisons where relevant.
How's
Не
it
тільки
going?
групи. Do we need to just group, or we can say that something overcomes something by
So
some
remember,
margin?
remember that when it comes to grouping, right? There are certain ways you can group your data, right? So
I have a proposition to group them in 3 groups.
in 3 groups.
First group,
Okay.
HP, Dell, and Toshiba, because they had a great increase in their popularity.
Mm-hmm.
Second group is gonna be Acer and Lenovo. They remained nearly the same through the years of 2006 and 2007. And the third one is FS. This one, Fujitsu. I'm too lazy to read it. Okay. And other, because they had a major decrease.
Mm-hmm.
Can you also make groups out of elements that already exist in the others? So can we put like Toshiba, Lenovo, and Fujitsu, Siemens in the least popular group? Are they all there already in other groups?
Mm-hmm. Hold on.
Does one element need to only exist in one group?
It is possible. It is possible that one element can, but it has to be an element that really stands out. Like it stands out completely from the others, right? So let's say that if everybody is like on a steady growth, right? And then we have that one particular category that just stayed the same or even decreased over time. See, it stands out. So yeah, you can put that as the outlier. So what would you want to?
Okay, so I mean to formulate this better. If you have a group which consists of companies that are growing popularity, and Toshiba is in that group because it's rise from 6.2% to 7.3%. Can you put it in another group which is called the least popular companies?
Well, yeah. Because there are a couple of companies here that had such decreases over time, right? So what group would that be? What companies would you put in that group?
Листовка, там, Toshiba, Lenovo, and Fujitsu, Siemens.
Okay. So how about I think Acer, Toshiba, and Lenovo. Wouldn't you put Acer there, Ilya? No?
I think it's a
also
little high.
in this category we can put Fujitsu, Siemens.
Okay, I see what you mean. So you're trying to group them. You're trying to group them into like the lowest, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, and I'm asking, can I do that if they're already in a group that are sorted by popularity? No, it's not sorted by popularity. It's sorted by growth rate.
By
It's
growth.
negative popularity.
Yeah, you can. It is a logical, yeah. It is a logical grouping. So yeah, you can. You can. Okay. So any others? So another way you can do this is you can kind of group them into those that had growth, right? Those that were stable, pretty much like oscillating,
Yeah.
and those that had a decline. This is also a way to logically group it, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, that is a way. Okay. Any others, guys?
Okay, so we have right now two different ideas how to group them.
Okay. So now that you have these, right, I'm going to give you the skeleton, okay? But before that, I can also give you some notes, yeah? Okay, let me send it here. You don't have to follow this. These are just a few notes, yeah, to maybe give you some ideas, right? Now, I want you guys to work together and use this skeleton to kind of like make notes for me. Yes? Hold on. For your introductory paragraph overview. Yes. I hope you're receiving all of these, right?
Yeah, let's see about this.
Yeah. This is a skeleton, okay? It doesn't have to follow this exactly. I'm just assisting you here so that we can. Yes. So I need you guys to work together and try to get me notes on these, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So Ilya, you received it too, yeah? Ilya? Is Ilya here?
Yes, I see it.
Yeah. So you guys can start working. I'll be with you in a second. Okay, guys. Do you have my trends for me?
Yeah.
Like
we get
we
it.
made this graph
Yeah.
or something. We
Okay,
just
so
wrote
what do you
make a
have?
groups.
What do you have for me?
We get like 3 groups. No, 4 groups.
Okay.
Four
And
groups.
what is the
Uh,
skeleton based on?
On percentage of market in 2006 and 2007, like
Okay.
of the similarity of them.
Okay. So yes. What do you have? So I see HP is like HP stands
Yeah,
out.
it's like first, the top of the top.
Okay.
Then we structurize Toshiba and Lenovo because it's like perfectly similar in
Okay.
2006 and in 2007, like kinda.
Mhm.
And Dell Acer, it's going like kinda, but it's better, I think, to do it like a little bit another way,
Mhm.
to do it like this. Yeah, because it's going down, like,
You can decrease it.
and this going down. It's increasing, yeah.
Decreasing, right? But Lenovo
Decreasing,
also decreases.
Well, also decrease? Oh, yeah, but that has similarity. It could be a little bit another.
So let me give you some notes, right? Some notes that I compiled for you. Just a minute. Now, this should help you see this table a bit more clearly, right? Look here. So as you can see, right, HP and Dell, yeah, HP and Dell, these were the leaders, right? Leading in manufacturers, right? Leading manufacturers for or between 2006 to 2007, right? Because as you can see, they both had good growth, yeah. So they both had very good growth. So you can group them together, all right?
Yeah.
Then we have, obviously, as you pointed out, HP also really stands out. So that is another group in there. Then Dell also had a notable rise, as we can see that. Now, you can group Acer, Toshiba, and Lenovo. You can put them in one group because all of them are kind of like, oscillating, going up and down. Yeah. But then Fujitsu Siemens, yeah, is the one that had the sharpest decline. Yeah. So it's low by all accounts, right? And then the others category, yes. So this is just a way to see how it's laid out. Now I'm going to give you a skeleton. Halloween is over, but I'm going to give you a skeleton. Yeah. And this is supposed to like guide you because guys, I need you now to make notes, right? I need you to make notes for me. And these notes are going to help you to write your report, okay? Now, take a look at these. Yes. So for the introduction, yes, for the introduction, you can look at these questions and make notes on these questions for me. And then for the overview, and then for paragraph 1 and 2 and 3, yeah. So I'm sending all of them. This is a guideline. You don't have to make it exactly like this. It's just a guideline for you guys to think together and figure out how you're going to write this for me. You're not going to create a rough draft for me. Okay?
Okay.
Good.
Only notes.
Yeah, only notes for me.
Okay.
Okay, just to understand how many words it's just has to be just.
These are just notes, so there's no word limit or word count.
Yeah, I understand, but that is like 50 or 500.
As much as you can manage. Because if it was, listen, if it was like an official task to write the actual report, then it would be at least 150 words. Right?
Yeah, I see.
Yes. So guys, this is practice, of course. If your team will decide to give me an actual fully written report, 150 words minimum, that's bonus. But if not,
Okay.
just get
We can do this. It's not like it's
Okay.
kind of easy. Yeah, I think so.
I think we're very good team. Yeah.
Yes. All right. So, Roxana, you're here, yeah? You're on board.
Yeah, of course I am.
Right. So yeah, I've given you the skeleton, so it should be possible to follow these and then give me something out. Yeah?
Yeah, okay.
Right. So let's go. I'm going to switch to the other team to check up on them. I will be back. Oh, guys, we have a break. I just realized that. Yeah, so yeah, you can go on break and then continue this when you're back. Yeah. But maybe don't leave the call because then you lose all the data. All right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
I just called you.
Oh, hello.
Hi.
Yeah, I'm good. Nice to be back. So guys,
We can decide how to write it. Like everyone write together or everyone write it separately.
well, I mean, it's a collaborative effort. Teamwork is part of what we are learning. So
Mhm.
yeah, maybe, I don't know, you guys can decide. Maybe somebody will handle that paragraph and this.
Yeah, we decided like how to who writes this paragraph, who
Or-
writes second, who writes third.
Or you can go at each paragraph together, share ideas. I don't know. Yeah, so
Okay.
let me check.
Okay, just improvising.
Artem is here, so I will let Artem join room number 2.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'll be back.
When?
Okay.
Hi guys, are you back?
As soon as
I
Hi.
I wasn't here before. I mean, I tried to be, but
It doesn't
my
work.
internet decided to not work for some time, so there's that.
I understand. Glad to have you here, Artem. Yeah, we have been discussing tables, trying to refresh our memory and yeah. Oh, so it keeps sending it here. I see. I thought there was a separate chat for your room and a separate chat for that room. But yeah. Okay. So guys,
I thought so too.
yeah.
Maybe it's because you're the host.
Yeah, maybe. Right. So guys, I have sent you the skeleton. Yes, we've already discussed how to group this data. Okay, so now the task is to follow the skeleton and create for me a draft. All right, so I think that the task is pretty straightforward. I have provided everything you need for, inside the skeleton. So yeah. Right, so Artem, you can join them. I added you to this group to
Okay.
balance it out. So if you look at the last messages, I think the last three messages
I don't have last messages because I just joined.
Oh,
Zoom doesn't display messages.
okay. Let me try to resend them. Okay. Wait, what? Oh yeah, okay. Just a minute. I have this song playing in my head over and over and over. Oh my God. Having ADHD is crazy. There we go. Okay. So Artem, it's sending you. You're getting these, right, Artem?
Yeah, I see.
Yeah, and the last one you need is here. Yes. So guys,
Why would you need 3 paragraphs to say 150 words?
Well, I mean, sometimes we have more information, okay? Now, just because it stays 3 paragraphs doesn't mean that you have to like separate them. You know what I mean? You understand, Artyom? Yeah.
Yeah.
And by the way, it it is not maximum 150 words. It's at least 150 words.
Yeah, but you can't really go overboard. I mean,
Yeah, of
200
course.
is
You can write like, I don't
the
know.
preferred limit.
Yes. But yeah. Add in.
Also, from what I've heard, if you can, you should prioritize not writing anymore when you surpass 150 words, because every word you write is like graded.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, that is playing it safe. But Artyom, if you have, for example, if you have a diagram, right, or if you have a visual, I don't know, a diagram which gives you, let's say, 2 points to talk about, right? It is doable in like 2 paragraphs. But like if you have like a table or paragraph where you have to group it into at least three categories, right? It would look cleaner for your essay, sorry, for your report if it's like sectioned that way. Yeah. So yes, you can be mindful of the words whilst writing at least these paragraphs. Yeah. Just a minute. I will be back. So guys, this is a group task, by the way. You're supposed to be discussing, figuring out like, okay, what are we doing next? What are we doing first? And all of that. So yeah,
Okay.
I will check on the other group. I will be back.
Назвал off. Oh, hi.
Yeah. Hi.
You wrote 7 words in 6 minutes.
Wrote what? 7 words?
I think it's a ghost.
Well.
Oh, okay. Like, I was thinking that you're writing just double G for no reasons. And others? Oh, okay.
That.
That.
It's not find. It's that.
It's that.
That.
Okay, what we
Yeah.
need to write next?
Overview. I don't know why we don't rewrite it.
We
Paraphrasing.
write like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 companies and others. I don't know.
Okay.
Like how can we
I
say
can-
that it's the biggest
I can't-
companies if I
I can do it like this. It's like questions.
Yes, that is why.
It's not for questions.
So this is not to spoon feed you. This is for you to. This is to help you. This is a
Okay.
guideline to help you to figure
Okay.
out where you have to write. Yes.
okay.
Don't read it.
Guys, hear me out, right? We've discussed the overview so many times, right? The overview without details, right? Just talk about the main trends without too many
I know it. I'm a little bit lazy. I don't want to write it on my own. I can't write. But if I need to, okay.
So in general, overall,
Yeah.
one blah 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 had a lot of sales and that.
Mm.
And whilst that one, I don't know, fell drastically and blah blah blah, whatever. Yeah. So
Okay, what we got to general trends.
collaborative effort, Kostya, Roxana. I need to hear your input.
Yeah, we're helping him for real. We are.
You're
Come on,
trying.
We're like giving him some
That's the point.
motivation.
It's
You know?
not slavery. It's not slavery. I'm doing it because I want to do that.
Ivan,
Like here's a
Ivan, are you
Oh, yeah.
feeling the overwhelming support of your teammates?
Yeah.
yes.
Right. Yeah,
We're the best team ever, you know.
you're right.
In general. What do I have in general?
Guys,
I have reactions. Oh,
guys,
okay.
I hope that at this point in our constant practice, you were able to you understand at the very least the format, right?
Yeah.
How it's supposed to flow, what words you're supposed to use, like increase, decrease, the key words and all that. I hope you have absorbed it by this point. Yeah. Right. So yeah, go on.
Keep going. Okay.
Yeah.
I think we can write something like in general, share of main companies are increasing because as I see here, like
The most of
most are
major.
increasing. No, most
In
are not
general.
increasing.
Hello, gentlemen. How's it going?
But it's 2006 and 2007, not 2007
Oh,
and
yeah.
2008.
Wait,
But in general, like this.
yeah, this ignoring the year's mistake because I
Yeah.
didn't look at the
Let's
graph when I
look
wrote
like a
this. Okay.
Okay, so let's say that.
Also, you can put like, oh, I have an idea. How many are these here? Okay, so 6 manufacturers and 1 others. Do we count others? Okay, I guess 7.
We are gonna just say that different one. Other is not a major company because it's other consists out of many other companies, so we can say that it is other.
You can just not specify 7. You just can say, oh, illustrates the difference in market share of major laptop manufacturers. Just
Yeah,
without 7.
just
Guys,
without 7.
you're currently on the introductory paragraph, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Just keeping track. All right. Good job. So
Yeah, so we can just say that, like Ilya said, just like this, just without any specific details. Throw away this small disagreement. What about this?
Okay, this works. I mean, usually you probably wouldn't stress the introductory paragraph so much and just rewrite it later if you think it's not good. Oh, overview. Now this is fun.
yeah. So guys,
The issue I have with overview is just that I don't like repeating information twice. And you know, each time I try to write an overview without mentioning the same thing, essentially what I'm going to mention in the other paragraphs, it just fails because it's a bad overview. I mean, it's supposed to be an overview.
but you see, Artyom, the idea here is that you're just kind of like giving the broad strokes. Yeah. It's like without details. So like the main idea of what you are about to write. So yeah, obviously it's going to repeat itself, but like, yeah, unfortunately the text cannot do without the overview. So
I mean, it can, but it's not going to be really good.
yeah, but I mean,
Or
you will lose a lot of points for omitting.
yeah.
So
I mean, not necessarily. I guess you still have to write it though. It can be small, but you're going to have to write a lot more letters later on
Of course.
to compensate.
Yeah, if you want to be economic, if you want to economize your words there's no problem. Yeah, you can just make it without fat.
Yeah, but like it's hard to write a lot of words, so you have to try as much. I've read some of the good ones. I mean, they are small. They just use grammar structures that enable them to use even more adjectives, not adjectives. I forgot how it's called. A or N or the. I forgot
Articles?
its name. Yeah, articles. I mean, articles are just like 1 or 2 or 3 letters, but they count as a word.
Yeah. Yeah.
And you can put a lot of them if you just article every word, but you need to somehow make it grammar friendly.
Yeah. It takes skill. Yeah. Right. Right.
Yeah, but the trade-off is you don't have to write as much words. Also, how does it work on IELTS? How, like, do they count your words, or how do you know you wrote enough?
Well, you can just count.
Yeah, but you know, counting 250 words is a bit hard and takes a lot of time.
Yeah. But yeah, either way, you should still be able to, like, count.
Like, don't they give you like programs to count how many words you have? Because
I mean, if you're
counting words.
yeah, if you're doing computer based, yeah, I think you should be able to see your word count.
Yeah, probably. I mean, on paper, obviously, you can't. Makes sense.
Yeah. So guys,
Okay, so
yeah, you should be working on
Yeah.
the overview now. Read the
Yeah.
skeleton. It should give you ideas. Yeah. I will check on the other guys.
okay.
Mhm.
And other
I
others.
have
Oh,
Guys,
do we need this in others?
I-
What? Oh,
guys, I'm not seeing you following the skeleton. You have a skeleton to really help.
Yeah, what
Yeah, but
like we're
we
describing
think
it.
we're too strong to do, to do it on.
Hold on.
Like
You're saying that you're too strong to
I'm
follow the skeleton.
yeah,
Okay, I mean, okay.
no problem.
Sure, no problem. No problem. The skeleton is to guide you though, because if you follow the skeleton,
I'm joking. I'm really joking. I don't want to test it like that. I'm joking.
yeah,
I
okay.
don't know
Look,
what
he's
skeleton
crying.
we need to write. We have like overall
I have
Which
it on
is
the
a
screen.
Guys,
Yeah.
Ivan, can you copy paste the skeleton? I don't know. Can somebody?
Yeah, we see skeleton in chat if you're talking about that.
I have
chat.
sent it in our chat. It's in our chat. Introduction.
Yeah, I'm opening it.
Yeah.
It's on where it's not on my screen. I'm thinking I'm translating.
Yeah, if
I'm
you
so
can,
sorry.
if
Yeah,
you
I can't.
open it to the side,
Yeah.
maybe this should help.
Yeah, it's
Yeah, I have it on the side. Like,
yeah. Okay.
Uh-huh.
I have
Okay.
it where I have it like
Yeah. So this should help you. So by answering these questions, guys, by answering these questions, you're able to, focus your eye in one direction to see what to write about, right? So as you can see, I think you guys are now on the overview, right?
yeah.
So what are the
Mhm.
elements you can notice here, right? Without giving numbers, without giving details, right? So like overall, this showed the highest, this was the highest point, this was the lowest point, and these performed poorly. The end. Then you go to the details. Yeah. So
Yeah, okay.
yeah, I am here. I'm just checking out something. I'll be back in a second.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Well, I wanted to write other have decrease and in special.
so wait, What? And in special,
Yeah,
probably just
this
special.
one. This one, I need to do it like.
Okay, so wait. Overall, we need just to write what does the table show. We have like the table
Yeah.
describes the percentage. How should you paraphrase the task statement to open your report? What?
I want to give that in
okay.
special it has it's felt double it's held double felt.
What general trends can you notice without giving numbers?
We don't give numbers.
Yeah, okay.
Like we have, like, but not so much. I don't know.
Yeah, we have like a little bit of
Guys,
Yes,
when
okay.
it says without giving numbers, it is asking you to say, did something increase? Did something decrease? Did something perform better?
Yeah, we
Something
have it,
perform poorly?
but we want to have a little for this one hard spoken Fujitsu Siemens like a little bit more because it's like special. It has double fell in
Sharp
market
decrease.
share.
Hold on. In general, half of majors.
Yeah,
What do you mean half
yeah,
of
half
majors?
of these companies.
But
Because
what do you mean
half
with
of them have increase and half of them have decrease.
Okay. Okay. Now, do you understand that whatever do you understand that whatever overview you've provided here, you will be expounding on them later?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so keep that in mind because your overview cannot disconnect with the paragraphs that are gonna follow. Yeah.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
that is important. Ignis fatus.
The sharp decrease.
2 times. Where's the word page? 66, okay.
What are you doing?
Where is it? Where is it? We have like, because,
What are you looking for?
Oh.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. No, okay, we can like drop. No, it's not. It's not too.
Lunges then probably or plummet.
Yeah,
As
plummet.
plummet.
I'm too lazy. I'm copying it. I don't want to write it. Yeah.
What page is that? I will
34, I think. 31.
What? 31. All right.
31, yeah.
Here you don't address the table.
Hi guys. Can you go to page
Hi.
31? Can you go to page number 31? I just realized something. Go to
Okay.
31. Who is controlling this book?
Clip. I
Clement.
believe he's writing a paragraph right now. Also, I'm trying to comment on the draft that Ilya sent. Ilya, can I send it again? So, or you're not happy about it?
No, I can, but like
Oh, you can see it?
so what are you saying? You asking me to resend the draft? Like the
No, I'm asking, like, I'm telling what we're doing right now. I was commenting on that.
No problem. But anyway, guys, Philip, can you go on to page number 31? I wanna show you something real quick. Page number 31.
Well, okay.
Yeah, on your. No, you are sharing.
Okay. Yeah, I understand.
That's page
51,
31.
yeah.
Yeah. Scroll to page number 31. And then
31. Yeah, not 50.
31, okay.
yeah, 31. And share the screen so that we can all.
Yeah, I'm just gonna do it in a second. Yep, here you go.
Okay, I can see it. Yeah, good. Guys, we have a lot of words here. Do not forget to refer to this table whenever you have to write, okay? These are very important. so that you can get used to using these words. Yes. So, yeah. Right. So these are very cool words you can use for your reports.
Can you see the both of my IELTS books which I opened, or just one?
No, only the right one. I don't know which one it is.
Thank you.
The one that's you're interacting with right now.
Okay. So
Yeah.
let's see what I can do about it.
I think we're only seeing half of the.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
know this.
Yeah.
1 second.
Okay, guys. Yeah, I just came here to remind you of
Like this. Can you
yeah.
see both of them?
Hold on.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. It's all clear. Yeah. So.
Okay, so it's gonna be better. Right, like this. We can see both of them.
Mm-hmm.
And you can see them normally. I don't need to
Yeah, normally.
increase the
Yeah.
okay.
So I will be back.
Science shares climate
Нет.
with HP on the top.
It's
What is going on
next
here?
sentence. It's next sentence.
Yeah, I
It's end
understand,
for
but,
next sec.
but not better to write like with
No.
HP as a leader after overall share
Okay.
in second.
Okay, a leader.
Yeah, and after that we can just add
You know,
this.
half of majors.
As
Wha-
what? Oh, hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's going. It's going.
We're in progress.
Yeah. Okay.
Sorry, what you want to say?
Yeah. I'm trying to say that you guys are writing this in present simple. That is a problem. Right.
Shouldn't we
We
write
need
it in
to-
present simple?
No. Yeah.
No?
No, they had it plummeted. It
Ah.
increased. Yeah. So
Okay, it was in 2006. Yeah.
right. So
There's plummeted.
yes.
Yeah.
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 Shared plummet.
Yes.
Then.
Here.
In shared.
Before plummet.
Why? Why shares like
Shared plummet. Because it shares not now. It shared like 20 years ago.
Yeah, then like shared, and should we just
And not
make
plummet,
plum,
then just
but
plummet.
just plummet, just plummet.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
so
What
with
you find this
HP on it. What?
why did you decide to keep why did you decide to keep the word plummet?
Like, because
well.
share rate in the past, the plummet is
I think
Isn't
not.
there-
I think it's like
No.
shares.
Yes.
Shares and
Shares.
plummeted.
Their market
Oh.
shares plummeted. Yeah.
Why?
Because shares
Because-
it's a noun.
it shares
Yeah,
right
it's
now,
noun.
and it's about past. Oh,
No,
sharing
it's
is
noun. It's
Okay.
noun.
I thought like shares it like shared
Yeah,
the result
it's
20 years ago.
it's
And
noun.
share
Okay,
is
It's
noun.
I
adverb
understand,
for
yeah.
this noun and this verb for this.
Guys, hold on. A market share is a noun, okay? A market share is a noun. And cements.
Yeah,
you have to
this one
add-
is
You have to add an apostrophe at the end of cement.
yeah. It's like not we. I think it's like name of the company or
Yes. No, at the end, not before. At the end.
oh
Yes.
yes.
And then
Yeah.
because
And then okay,
apostrophe
because is okay. Yeah, I understand.
because it already ends with S. So there is no need to add S again. Did you learn
Okay.
this rule in grammar?
I think, but I'm learning English like 11 years.
Does anyone know this rule about possessives? Possessive.
Like when apostrophe at the end of the word, like
Yeah.
I just saw it in some text, but I didn't know that it's not mistake.
No. So, let me see if I can
Code.
find it for you.
Okay, because I think
For example, right, let's take the name Vlada, okay? If we want to
Yep.
say Vlada cat, we say Vlada's
Vlada's cat, yeah.
good.
She's because it's
No, because but if the noun ends with S, right, you don't add another S. You just put apostrophe at the end. That's all.
only apostrophe.
Yes.
Only apostrophe.
Yeah, like that. Okay.
Mind blowing.
Yes.
Game changer.
Yes. Right. So it's clear.
Okay. Yeah, now it's clear.
So okay.
Okay, we need to write without speaking. Okay. What we want to have in general, have majors, have sign. We need to have majors which have an increase. And
Yeah.
it was Dell, it was Toshiba,
HP as well.
HP as well, but we have in the leader in the end, and what? And that's all. Okay, we need to write about Dell and Toshiba, and then with HP.
We can
No.
say that it has an increase as well, but
You guys are on
It's-
body paragraph 1 now.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
With the
All right.
details.
All right.
mhm.
HP, Dell, and Toshiba. Okay, I'm deleted. HP,
I guess we can write about HP in that, like we can say Toshiba, Dell, and HP have
P-
increased as
yes.
well as I don't know, like
No, we
Um,
need to get details.
yeah, I mean, just I want to say that this has been increased as well as HP is on the top or something, but I'm not sure how should we do that.
Guys, just to notify you, we have 7 minutes left to
Oh,
wrap this task up so that we can have have a short discussion before we end for the day. So
what about as a
Okay.
group? How are they doing?
we are making a lot of progress.
Yay!
Yay!
Yeah,
Yay!
That's their task. Okay.
they're making a lot of progress. So guys, chop chop.
Okay.
Chop chop,
Chop chop.
chop chop.
Chop chop. Okay. Then where is it? Okay, I'm reading. Dell. Why am I going? Can't with this keyboard. Dell. I don't know how I'm too lazy. And HP.
As a slight increase. Yeah, it's a slight
Head.
increase.
Slight.
Head without ins and. Yeah.
Fuck it. We here
No,
with
it's like the same. Maybe we have to change it,
Yeah.
not the slide, but
it
which
had an increase. We don't need to.
yeah, okay.
Yeah, pouring water. It's well, I know so, but don't. feel
Okay.
poop
You
on
already
it.
wrote that like 2 sentences before.
Yeah, why not to write it third time? And,
At increase.
Okay, I'm done.
increase.
Did you write everything by yourself? Or what? Okay.
If you do that, we have.
Not
Yeah.
in sense. Okay.
An HP had increased.
Had increased by.
No, it's like
Mm,
how they
details.
increase. We have to say not slightly, we
Yeah.
have to change the word.
we need to say how they have increased and then describe the increase. Yeah. And
No,
we
no.
probably need to change the word increase. It was 31 page, yeah? Yeah.
Yeah.
30.
So we can say that
Okay, right.
is like they had a yeah, just rise, I don't know.
Where is it? Yeah. Raised. Head raised. Окей. Мы выделили их. Why I start speaking right?
No.
Okay.
Advice. Yeah. And
Why?
except of other companies which had like,
It
you
has
know,
second form? Or why? Why is it so?
I don't know.
Raised. It's
Okay, so look, we can say like as well as other company, they had a decrease or something like that. I don't know.
We need to describe more.
I don't know
Yeah.
how we can describe it more,
Well, we need.
but we need.
You know. Okay.
The
so-
HP is a leader.
Okay.
Because we have question, who is
H
leader? Like
HP S E lead.
EADER.
Yeah, LEA. Oh my
Oh,
God.
yeah. Why is it so? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. And second question, what do we have? Where is body one? Body
Okay, I
paragraph.
guess I can try to write the second paragraph. Kosti, would you like to write the third while we're dealing with it?
Okay.
How's it going?
In progress. Yep.
Yeah, we decided to read it a little bit separately.
Okay.
Okay, I will try to.
Kostya said he was done with something. I heard Kostya saying you're done with something. Kostya,
No, nothing. I know what went wrong.
He cooked.
Wrong and just
He cooked.
Yeah, he
and-
cooked.
yeah.
He done. He cooked.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that station. Next time, please, yeah, just please, can you next time just do same group as we know, and we will be better, okay?
Yeah,
Next
can
time.
you make
Yeah.
the next time
I-
the same group?
Because
Yeah, I swear we will be better.
I swear it too.
but
I
guys,
saw as well.
is the task
I'm sorry about that. Yeah.
difficult? Is it difficult?
No, it's not
No.
difficult. It's
I-
really easy. We can do it. I
Yes.
don't know why we. It seems so weird.
It's just miscommunication.
Yeah.
No,
That's all.
we have work miscommunication.
Let me check up on the other guys.
Yeah, okay.
See where they are. But you guys should start wrapping up because we have like only 6 minutes left, right? So
Okay.
Okay.
I need us to come together and try to see what we learned from this
Okay.
task, because that is my priority here. Yes, it would have been great if we all could have written at least the draft, right?
Mhm.
But my priority here is for you to get familiar with
Yeah, we
Okay.
we got it. It's
we
not
got
so
it.
difficult.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just difficult for us to phrase it. Yeah.
Okay, because I need you to, by the time we're done with this course, when you get your diagram, when you get your question, you should know where to go so that you don't feel lost. Like, okay, I'm gonna start with my introduction. This is how it's gonna look like. Okay, I'm gonna go with the overview. I'm going to look for the main trends. Okay, this is how I'm gonna, this is how I'm gonna word it. For you to in the first few seconds, to understand where you are going and where you will
Yeah,
end.
we already did it like in 30
Yeah.
seconds, which
Okay.
just the biggest problem was to phrase everything as far as you can see.
Yeah. So
I'm not speaking, not about sim.
let
Yeah.
me check up on the other guys. I'll be back.
Yeah, okay.
Mhm.
But you guys can start wrapping up and
Okay.
Mhm.
yeah, you can return to the main call when you're done.
Okay.
Okay.
Hi guys. Yeah, we should be wrapping up. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that we can discuss a bit what we've come up with and what we've learned from this task. Yeah. So let's return to the call.
Sure.
Yeah.
That was powerful, I would say. So
What do you mean, Roxana?
I don't know. Oh, do you know how oh, I forget how they in English. Giraffes. Do you know how giraffes are speaking?
How giraffes speak?
Like, yeah, how giraffes speak. Do you know?
No, I have no idea.
We know.
I have no idea.
They're screaming.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
they're screaming.
I had no idea. All right. So guys, the first question I want to ask is, what have you learned from this task? What is your takeaway from this task?
You should speak less and do more.
We can't work in teams.
Speak less, do more. All right. All right. Team number one, or
So
That you should do less and speak more.
but how about the technical aspect of the task? What did you learn, or what did you remember, or what would you like to do better?
I've
If-
learned about the structure, and I guess most of us, like you gave us a skeleton and we understood how to work with it.
Okay.
Yes, and what's probably, as far as I think I have to do more is to write more of this text,
Yeah.
because I wouldn't say that we wrote.
All right. Yeah. So you need more practice. Yes.
Yeah, like more practice and again, speak less, do more.
All right. All right. Anyone else?
But that was a cool group. If you can you make it like next time the same?
Yeah. Yeah, I can.
Yay, thank you so much.
I could. All right. So, Artem, Kostya, Kleb, any takeaways from this?
Okay, so I've been made aware of what giraffe sounds like, and I get you guys why you were laughing the whole time.
Right. Right. Yeah. Kostya, Kleb, any
Next time everything will be better.
everything
I
will
swear.
yeah. All right. Yeah. Guys, I will keep on providing the skeleton until I am confident that you guys are, intricately aware of like how this goes. Okay. So I think we will end for today. Does anyone have any questions for me?
No questions.
Right.
No.
See you on Friday. Yeah.
Yeah.
See you.
Yep.
Yeah.
See ya.
Thank you.
Bye.
See ya.
Thank
Bye.
Bye.